Welcome to today's quick guide where I'll walk you through the simple steps to make your last seen status public on Telegram. Whether you're reconnecting with old friends or just want to be more visible, this updated tutorial covers everything in under a minute. Let's dive right in. First, open your Telegram app. Look for the menu icon in the top left corner. It's either 3 horizontal lines or your profile picture, depending on your device. Tap it to open the side menu. From there, scroll down and select Settings, the gear-shaped option that holds all your account preferences. Next, navigate to Privacy and Security. This section is your control center for everything related to who sees what in your Telegram activity. Tap it to open the Privacy dashboard. Here, you'll find options for managing message read receipts, call privacy, and more. But today, we're focusing on Last Seen and Online, the feature that shows others when you were last active. Tap it to proceed. Now you'll see 3 visibility options: Everybody, My Contacts, and Nobody. To make your last seen public, choose Everybody. This setting allows anyone on Telegram, whether they're in your contacts or not, to see your exact last active time. No restrictions, no exceptions. Once selected, Telegram will automatically save your choice. That's it. Your last seen status is now visible to all users. If you ever want to revert this, simply follow the same steps and pick a different option. A quick tip: while you're here, explore Telegram's granular privacy tools. You can create exceptions, like hiding your status from specific people, even if it's public, by tapping Never Share With under the Exceptions menu. It's perfect for balancing openness with control, and there you have it. Making your last seen public on Telegram is that straightforward. If this guide helped, drop a thumbs up below and share it with anyone who might need a privacy refresh. For more tips on mastering your messaging apps, hit subscribe and turn on notifications. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.